Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I go by the name Rob, and today we're going to make my favorite food called Neau Namtok, which is a Thai dish or a Lao dish. I mean, people like to fight over that dish a lot because it's very delicious, and it has a taste of a sour dressing with beef. Okay, here we go. As you can see, I got my sticky rice cooking here, the traditional way, in the steamer. So that's pretty done. That's set. Cook it for about 30 minutes. Done. Right here, have my meat prepared. Already char broiled because I like to bring out that char taste with the meat juice in here. Also with the melted fat, it brings out a lot of flavor in it. So let me bring over here. Main ingredients. Have some shallots or red onions, whichever you prefer. I couldn't find any shallots, so I use this, the next best thing. And I got mints. A lot of mint goes a long way in this dish. Right here I got a little pulp of tamarind. Use some of that. And it brings out the little tartiness in there. Lime juice, lemon juice, whatever you prefer in a bottle. You can squeeze your own. And I use Viet Huang fish sauce, which is a Vietnamese type fish sauce. I think it's one of the best ones you can use, but hey, everybody's got their choices. So let's get started. First of all, turn this up on high heat. I'm gonna bring it up to simmer. And once it gets started, we'll add some fresh water to that. Because we need that juice. Everybody loves the juice. Oh, I forgot to mention roasted rice. That brings out the flavor too. That's part of the main ingredient that brings out the roastiness, as you can say in this dish here. Just wait a little bit till the heat comes up to simmer. After that, we'll start cooking. Now you see I got my little pot of beef here to simmer. What we want to do is add a little water to that for more juice. I think I'm just going to put maybe 2 ladles of water. See how we're doing here. That's one. Okay, so let that come up to simmer. So you want to get it up to simmer, very hot simmer, or boil, whatever you want to call it. I'm not technical, I'm not smart, but hey. So let that rise up a little bit, and we'll add our ingredients to that. How's that looking? Good? Smells wonderful. Okay. So we got that in there. Now I'm not a professional chef, but I'm going to taste it throughout my I'm cooking this. Some tamarind juice. I want to get the seeds in here. Okay. A little bit more. Now I'm adding the lime juice. I gotta taste it. It's got that nice sour dressing to it right now, and I'm gonna even it out with some fish sauce paste. You don't want to overpower with fish sauce, otherwise you be having a fish dish here and it's beef. That's that. And keep in mind when you're putting in the vegetables, your garnish, you don't want to turn down the heat because you don't want your vegetables to turn brown. That wouldn't be very nice. Perfect. Just a little tad bit. Remember, it's very powerful, so you don't want to mess it up. Okay, so that's done there. So just turn off the heat, and then we go with our shallots, red onions, bam, beef. That beef. And we just stir it in nicely like that, and you see how it comes playing along together like that, and it smells wonderful. So, yep, there it goes. Not looking plain no more. Maybe it needs a little bit more mint. And last but not least, we'll add some of the roasted rice, which brings out a very nice flavor to that. For a little extra more mince, underestimated there, but yep, there you have it. Neau Namtok, my style. Can you smell that? It smells good. And there we have it. That's it. We serve it with sticky rice. Wow, look at that. Serve sticky rice and cabbage, and you know, it goes good with a nice cold beer. And I would have to say, that is the end. Oh, I just did a little touch up here because we needed more juice. But yeah, that's how it's supposed to look.
Do you want cabbage or no?